In this video, I'm going to share with you how you can jump ahead to a particular time frame in your video. If you're going to have a longer video and you decide to break it up into sections, and say, for instance, maybe not all your viewers want to watch the first 2 minutes of the video, but they'd rather watch the last 3 or 4 minutes of the video will be more important to one group as another. Well, there is a way to do that, and no one showed me this. I just saw someone do it and did a little investigating and finally figured out how it was accomplished. But it seems like all these neat little tricks, guys, you don't find out about them for some reason. I don't know why YouTube doesn't share these things. But, I'm glad that I can share these with you. And what I've done here in this video, I did this solely for an experiment. I transcribed this particular video to see if it helped any with the SEO, which I can't tell that it has. But that's not important. But that's the reason why you see that transcription in front of you. Each word by word that I spoke, I typed it out in the description. But you can see these times here are in blue. And if you want to skip ahead in the video, say we are at 8 seconds right now, and we want to go to where it says the last one we're going to talk about is pref delete. So if we wanted to jump ahead to where it talks about pref delete, we could click on delete. Will actually allow you to go in here to your and we're at the 2:19 mark now. It goes ahead and it jumps ahead for you. And let's do one more. And it's signing me in because I'm the owner of this. It won't do that for you. If you want to go to the 41 marker, click 41. Alarm. How many times goes to the 41 marker? Now, there's really not a big trick to doing this, guys. Just find out where you want to be in the video and put that time frame in parentheses and put a colon between them. That's all I did. You just type it in just exactly like that. Colon 2, parentheses, the number 2, colon, then 19 parentheses. That will jump you ahead to 2 minutes and 19 seconds. Same thing for a minute 50, minute 32. You see them right here, and they come up, they highlight in blue just like a link. That's why it's so important to put these links in there. And that's another little trick that I can share with you about jumping ahead in videos.